Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What an absolutely gorgeous example, direct in from the last owner, who really has absolutely cherished this vehicle. This is the Toyota Yaris. It's the 1.5 VVTI icon, featuring this lovely bright blue Nebula blue metallic. The car is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the anthracite alloy wheels, privacy glass. They really are great spec, great reliability from Toyota. It's a 2018 on an 18 plate, still on the manufacturer's warranty until March 2023. The last owner bought it as a pre-registered vehicle with just 10 miles on the clock, so almost one owner from new. Great spec on it, beautiful all the way around. Reverse camera, good size boot on these, loading area nice and clean, not a mark on there at all. It's got the load liner to protect it as well. Split folding rear seats, rear luggage cover, spare wheel, not being knocked about in the back at all. Absolutely beautiful colour. Look at that when the sunshine just catches it. It's gorgeous. Very spacious little car. All the bodywork absolutely impeccable all the way around. All the wheels in great condition. Not marked at all in any way, all original. And all the bodywork all the way around. Look at it, just beautiful. The 1.5 engine, 110 brake horsepower. Combined figure of 58 plus miles per gallon according to Toyota. Incredible miles per gallon. Just look at it, absolutely beautiful colour, gleaming away. It's got this beautiful grey interior, two-tone. Again, totally beautiful inside. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells in there. Electric front windows, electric mirrors. Nice bit of storage there. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Cruise control. Speed limiter. It's got this great two-tone upholstery as mentioned, all in great condition. Air conditioning, DAB radio, reverse camera, great stereo in it. Onboard computer, Bluetooth connection, all nice and easy to control. USB aux input, 6-speed manual gearbox, and the mileage of just 8255. That's what it's done, 8255. 2018 car, incredibly low mileage. Very stereo controls on the steering wheel. Cruise control on that. This car came in direct off a good friend of mine who I've known since 1995. He really has cherished the vehicle. You can tell just by the mileage of 8255. The car is almost like brand new. It is beautiful all the way around. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Check out our online finance calculator on the website. Work out your HP, your PCP deals, low monthly payments, low deposits. Very, very quick and easy. Apply direct off our website. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 off our website, so that nobody else beats you to it. Ask about click and collect or home delivery. Specialist cars based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Further details, we're just at the end of the phone, 01782 822 700, making buying and selling a used car an easy process. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.